it's Belarus and Russia. And then China's all the way over there running with my hammer! And yeah, we aren't very accepted in Ikea, but we just kind of walked out anyways because we're going to the mall! So yeah, and they're having their little hammer war. My hammer!
Is it still on? Is it still recording?
It's still on.
Oh no. Is it still okay? Boo! I do? I wondered, it was kind of weird. I didn't really look at it, I just kind of grabbed it. Don't just shove stuff in my hand. I'm drunk, remember? And I'm driving.
Oh my god, we're gonna die. China, come say hi! Oh, aren't you sweet? Apparently, Russia doesn't know balance too well. But yeah. Alright, we're gonna go get in the car and